Ever feel overwhelmed by choices or uncertain about decisions? What if I told you that the key to navigating life's complexities lies in the power of discernment? Let's explore how to cultivate this essential skill. Discernment is the ability to judge well, to differentiate between what's beneficial and what isn't, and to make choices that align with your values and goals. In a world filled with information and choices, honing your discernment can empower you to lead a more intentional and fulfilling life. And there are several barriers to discernment, such as fear, anxiety, and external pressures. A 2023 study in Social Psychology Review highlights how these factors can lead to decision fatigue and even hinder our ability to evaluate options more clearly. So how to cultivate discernment? Number 1, practice mindfulness. I talk about this all the time. Mindfulness can enhance your ability to discern by helping you stay present and aware. So when we're mindful, we're better equipped to recognize our thoughts and feelings, allowing for clearer judgment. A study in mindfulness found that mindfulness practices improve cognitive flexibility and decision-making skills. Number 2, gather information. Information gathering helps a lot. Relevant information before making a decision is crucial. And number 3, engage your intuition. There's power in listening to your gut, not the gurgling noises. Tuning into your intuition is a powerful component of discernment. Listening to your gut feelings can provide insights that goes beyond logic. And a study published in Cognitive Psychology indicates that intuitive judgments can lead to more accurate decisions when combined with rational analysis. So it's essential to find a balance between logic and intuition in decision making. Relying solely on one can lead to skewed judgments. So ask yourself, how can you cultivate a stronger connection to your intuition when making choices and balance that with logic? And here are some decision-making frameworks. Establish your values. So understanding your core values is crucial for discernment. So when your decisions align with your values, you are more likely to feel satisfied and fulfilled. And a study in the Journal of Values-Based Leadership highlights that value-driven decision-making enhances personal and professional outcomes. So what are your core values and how can you align your decisions with those values? And a study from Decision Sciences suggests that having a structured approach can enhance discernment and reduce decision fatigue. So reflect on your decision-making process and write down a framework that you can use for particular decisions for future choices. And here's a couple of tips for practicing discernment. Start small. Begin practicing discernment with smaller decisions, and this could involve choosing what to eat, which book to read, or how to spend your free time. And as you build your discernment skills, you can tackle larger decisions with more confidence. And take time to reflect on past decisions and their outcomes. What worked well? What didn't work? And this reflection can provide valuable insights for future choices. So in a 2023 study in the Journal of Experimental Psychology, they suggest that reflecting on experiences enhances learning and decision making. The classic mentoring method helps too. So in seeking diverse perspectives, this helps discernment. Engaging with others who can broaden your perspective and enhance your discernment as well. So seeking out diverse viewpoints can reveal insights that may not have been considered. Research in the Journal of Social Cognition highlights that collaborative decision-making leads to better outcomes. And be open to feedback. Seek feedback on your decisions. Constructive criticism can provide insights and help you refine your judgment. And a study published in Organizational Behavior and Human Decision Processes found that feedback improves decision-making quality. So think about how you can create an open book feedback loop in your decision-making process. And here are some final thoughts on discernment. Flexibility is a part of being human, and life is unpredictable, and sometimes decisions don't go as planned. So embrace flexibility. This allows you to adapt and reassess your choices as new information comes in. So it's about cultivating a flexible mindset when faced with unexpected outcomes. Lastly, take time to celebrate your decisions, regardless of the outcome. Acknowledging your choices reinforces your discernment skills and boosts your confidence. And research from the Journal of Positive Psychology shows that celebrating decisions enhances overall well-being. So what are some decisions that you've made that you are proud of? And in conclusion, cultivating discernment is a powerful skill that enhances your ability to navigate life's complexities with confidence and clarity. By practicing mindfulness, engaging your intuition, and reflecting on your values, you can make decisions that resonate with your authentic self. And remember, discernment is a journey where you may have to be flexible too. So embrace it with patience and openness and gentleness towards yourself. And here's a beautiful prayer for discernment. God, grant me the wisdom to discern rightly in my decisions, and help me align my choices with my values, and lead me on the path of purpose. So, your ability to discern will empower you to create a life aligned with your true self. And remember to be gentle with yourself and allow yourself the grace to learn from each experience. Always forgive yourself and others, and remember that life is a learning process.